This is me in our backyard back in 2020. We had some free time during the pandemic, decided to refurbish our clawfoot tub. We started with the feet, so I stripped the paint and we went with a chrome color. There's the tub when we bought it. We found it in a vintage shop in Vermont. So first we had to brush off any debris to make sure we were able to clean it. We used crud cutter to remove any grease or stains from the tub. We had to really scrub it down and get it very clean. Once we did that, we had to wash the tub off and then dry it up. There's Casey doing some work. Here I am prepping the tub to paint. We wanted to make sure there was no paint on the lip or inside the tub when we were priming. So we primed first and then we went with the color black. See, the tub is from March 7th, 1903. And there it is. That's the tub. We installed it in our rental unit. It looks so pretty. I love it. We had so much fun.